Hi guys, welcome back to Creating Dreams. My name is Diana and today I'll be trying out these new markers I bought. Hi guys, welcome back to the Creating Dreams channel. Today I'll be trying out these new markers I just bought. I bought these markers at Action, which is a local shop here in Holland where they sell everything you can imagine and everything is cheap. They have lots of art supplies that I always like to try out, and today I've got some markers. I've got mixed color markers which are somehow magical. Says so on the packaging. So I'm going to try out those, and I've got glitter markers. The glitter markers have glitter in them, which is, well, obvious. And the magic markers have a special gadget with them. This, which allows you to connect the markers to each other, and then one marker takes a bit of the color of the other marker, and then you can make a sort of blended fade effect with one marker. And I'm going to try that out to see if that works, and I'm going to make a nice drawing. I've got the skin tone color markers because I thought it would be nice to make a drawing of a face with these. So let's try them out and see how they work. Well guys, this is the end result. I'm quite happy with this drawing. I think our sheet turned out quite nice. I'm not really sure about the markers. The mixed markers didn't really work for me. The blending didn't really blend that well. It was more like one color and then the other without many tones in between. Just using one marker instead of two, which doesn't really make that big of a difference to me. And I did like the glitter markers. They leave a nice glittery effect, and I like glitter in my drawings, so that was really great. I think she turned out quite alright. I'll be using the markers in the future, just not the blending feature. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, leave a comment and consider subscribing to my channel to watch future videos. I hope you have a very nice day, and I'll see you around next time. Bye for now. Bye.